Welcome to the study. This is a space that's open to the living room and looks out onto the backyard. I wanted to make sure this space was extremely functional. So this desk allows me to have two people sitting at it. I contrasted the desk with a beautiful walnut finish against the custom white cabinets. I've got uppers here that allow me to store all of my office needs and some open cabinetry above that can store some beautiful books and different objects. Now towards the back section, I've got a whole seamless wall of cabinetry without any hardware. This allowed me to save money and also allow the cabinetry to just blend into the background.